Welcome. In this series, you'll learn everything you need to know to master Editor 2.0. We'll walk through the left sidebar, top toolbar, headers, footers, and the context menu. We'll explore the design panel and how sections, rows, and columns bring your pages to life. Plus, we'll cover adding designed or AI generated sections, using the AI assistant, and much more. To get started, we'll first need to create an Editor 2.0 site. From your dashboard, click Create New Project. Give your project a name and select Build a Website. In the template picker, use the toggle at the top to switch to Editor 2.0. Then choose from the available templates. You can preview any template using the Preview button, and when you're ready, click Start. Your site will be created, and from the project dashboard, you can click Edit to open the Editor 2.0 builder and begin building. This wraps up the overview of the Editor 2.0 A to Z training series. This series is broken into easy to follow videos so you can watch the full set from start to finish or quickly find the exact topic you want to dive deeper into.